Hi everyone, quick video showing you how you can set up your own keyboard shortcuts in Optuma. Under the settings menu we have shortcut settings, and you'll see that we already have some assigned to various actions. So close workbook is Control and Q, exit the program Control X, so on and so forth. But what we can do is either search for items. So let's say I want to set up a shortcut to change time frames of a chart. So I'm going to search for week. So for 1 week, I'm just going to click in that box and then Alt W for week. So I'm going to apply that and then close. So this is a daily chart of Microsoft. Now if I press Alt W, it's going to change to weekly. Another example is to open a certain chart type. So under shortcut settings again, I'm going to clear that search box. And if I just scroll down here, new chart, so F1 will open up a bar chart. I'm going to set candlestick. Actually, if I try and set candlestick to F1, nothing will happen because obviously that's already being used. So you either have to change, if you want to change something and nothing works, it means that key combination is already being used. So you can either search for that and change the existing one, or just select a new one. So I'm going to use F3 for candlestick instead, and then click apply. Now when I hit F3, it's going to bring up the security selection window. I'm going to do XJO, and actually there's another shortcut we can use. If I want to open up a weekly chart, I'll do comma W, and that will automatically open up a weekly chart of XJO in a candlestick. If I did comma M, it will be monthly, comma Y would be yearly, and obviously comma D is a default daily. A couple of other things I'll mention about keyboard shortcuts as well is on the custom toolbar we got these buttons that I've added. So that's to take a screenshot. If I just click that button, it will automatically copy my screen to clipboard, which can then be pasted into a Word document or an email or Twitter or something like that. Just Control V. But if we right click on the button, the keyboard shortcut appears there as well. So Alt plus P does the same thing, and I've got one to actually save an image file. So that's Shift and I. So on this chart here, if I do Shift and I on my keyboard, this pops up, asks me where I want to save the image file. I just click save, and that will add the PNG to wherever I've saved it. Hope that's been helpful. Any questions, please let us know. Thanks very much.